welcome to Live English Basic English Grammar Session 4. Today we are going to talk about using they to refer to singular nouns. Sometimes it is strange, but using they as a singular noun or to refer to singular nouns is usual and can be used with third person plural forms to refer to singular nouns of the third person, either feminine or masculine, when we do not know the gender. For example, you shouldn't judge someone until you know what they are really like. So we use someone and we refer to someone using they. That's because we do not know their gender. Another example, if anyone needs help or if anyone needs extra help with their studies, they should feel free to see me after class. Here, as you see, we use anyone, we use their studies, we use they to refer to anyone. So we use their, this is an adjective, and we use they as the subject pronoun. Another example, somebody took my book. They should return it back by the end of the day. So we use somebody and we use the subject pronoun they to refer to somebody. So it's somebody and we use they to refer to somebody. Another example, if anyone comes in, ask them for their ID before letting them in. We use anyone and we use them to refer to them as an object pronoun and their as possessive adjective and them again is an object pronoun. So this is how we use they to refer to singular nouns. So as you see, now we read the examples again. You shouldn't judge someone until you know what they are really like. We use someone and we use they to refer to someone. The second example, if anyone needs extra help with their studies, they should feel free to see me after class. We use anyone and we use their, the possessive adjective, and we use they to refer to anyone. The third example, somebody took my book. They should return it back by the end of the day. We use somebody and we use they, the subject pronoun, to refer to somebody. Another example, If anyone comes in, ask them for their ID before letting them in. We use anyone and we use them as an object pronoun to refer to anyone, and we use their, the possessive adjective, to refer to anyone, and we use them again as the object pronoun. This is how we use they and their or them to refer to a singular noun. Hope you enjoyed this short session of live English, basic English grammar.